In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects and tasks in Asana. For businesses and teams looking to streamline their workflow and manage projects more effectively, Asana is a powerful tool that's both user-friendly and versatile. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can start creating projects and tasks with Asana. First, you'll want to head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your dashboard. For those who don't yet have an account, you have the option to click on Get Started or Try for Free. This will guide you through setting up an account, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, look for the Home tab or the plus New button in the sidebar. This is where you'll initiate the creation of a new project. Click on it and then select Create Project. You will then be presented with an option to start from a blank project or choose from a variety of templates. Using templates can be particularly helpful if you're working within a specific framework or need a head start with predefined sections and tasks. Next, you'll want to provide a name for your project. Try making it descriptive, such as marketing campaign or content creation, to give your team a clear understanding of what the project is about. After naming your project, you'll need to decide on its format. Asana offers several views: list, board, calendar, or timeline. Choose one that aligns best with how you and your team prefer to organize and view your work. To add more context to your project, you can optionally add a project description, attach relevant files, and even set a project color or icon to help differentiate it visually from other projects. Once the project is set up, invite your team members by entering their email addresses. This collaboration feature is at the heart of Asana's functionality. After adding your team members, click on the Create Project button to finalize its setup. With your project all set, let's move on to creating tasks within it. Navigate to the specific project where you want to add tasks. Within your project, you'll find a plus Add Task button either at the top or within specific sections depending on your project layout. When creating a task, start with a clear and concise title. This title should encapsulate the core action or objective of the task. For additional guidance or context, take advantage of the description field. Here you can elaborate on the steps or background information necessary to complete the task. To ensure accountability, assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field. It's also wise to set a deadline by selecting the due date option, helping the team prioritize their workload. For more complex tasks, you can break them down into smaller steps using the subtasks section, which helps manage larger projects efficiently. Don't forget to utilize Asana's dynamic collaboration features. You can upload files directly to tasks and leave comments for ongoing discussions. Lastly, use tags to categorize and prioritize tasks, making it easy to track progress and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to organize your work efficiently in Asana. Whether for a small team or a large organization, using Asana to manage projects and tasks will undoubtedly improve your workflow.